Marie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna share with you our Puppy Chow recipe. This is just a snack mix made with peanut butter, chocolate chips, Chex Mix, and powdered sugar. Now I have never made this recipe before, but my niece has, and it's super good. And so I've asked her to help me with this video. And this is my niece Sophia.
Hello. So, we're just gonna make Puppy Chow. So this is it's supposed to be 9 cups of Chex Mix. And we're just gonna put this into this, and we're gonna melt the peanut butter and the chocolate chips in there.
And this is how much chocolate chips?
1 cup.
Okay.
And then a half a cup of peanut butter, 9 cups of Chex Mix. This is the 9th cup. And then we are going to mix the peanut butter in with this.
And by the way, this recipe makes a lot, so this is really a good recipe if you're gonna have people over and you need a snack. This is a good recipe.
So you just mix this together.
Now, did you use dark chocolate or do you use milk chocolate, or does it matter?
It doesn't really matter, but we used milk chocolate, I think. And then you just mix it until it's all mixed together.
Ooh, that smells good.
Yes. And then you just dump a little bit at a time, just so it all gets coated very well. And then once you feel like that's coated enough, dump the rest in there. And if you don't feel like the 1 cup of chocolate chips is enough, you can add as much as you want, just however chocolatey you want it.
Now, do you usually eat this mix cold or hot, or how do you?
So it tastes good both ways, but I prefer it cold. So once it's all mixed together, I put it in a bowl or something and put it in the fridge, and then that's how I like it. But you can have it either way. So now we're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag. Put some powdered sugar in the bag so it all gets coated. 1.5 cups of powdered sugar.
So are we gonna do it in 2 bags? So you need, okay.
Yes.
So about 3/4 cup in each.
Yes.
Each bag. Okay.
Perfect. And then just dump some in there. I'd say about a half of the pan in each bag, just so it all gets coated with powdered sugar, because that's the best part. Okay, and then you Ziploc it shut. Then you just shake it all up.
That really does smell good.
Yeah. And then we'll do the second bag. Thank you. And then just put the rest in there. Sure. love this too. My daughter definitely does.
It's probably pretty good for them as far as a snack goes, because with the peanut butter and the Chex. And do you always use Rice Chex, or do you?
I always have, but you can definitely use other things
Okay.
too. Just whatever you guys have. It's just something, it's easy and it clears out the cupboard with your cereal if you have extra cereal and lots of peanut butter. Alright.
And then have you used chunky peanut butter before or not?
No, I haven't, but I'm sure you definitely could. Okay, then you just mix it all together. Make sure it's closed all the way.
Probably a good idea.
There we go.
And once you get it mixed up, then you said you put it in the fridge or the freezer.
Yep.
And she had made some of this a couple of days ago, and it was in the refrigerator. And this is what it looks like when it's good, when it's done.
It is very good.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Well, thanks, Sophia.
Yes, you're
That
welcome.
was super
Thank you.
cool, and I'm gonna make it now. It's so easy. But thanks for joining us in my kitchen today. I hope to see you on the next video.